Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to check device condition. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter support. Go to device care and now start device care. Now your TV is searching for malfunctions and possible issues. As you can see, the optimization and diagnostics are complete. And I've got two issues. One is auto volume is turned on and the second auto power off is enabled. You can check your issues right here and then you can manage storage. As you can see in the top right corner, I've got only 30% storage available, and now I can remove some apps, manage them, etc. Next, we can perform self-diagnosis of the video test, picture test, sound test, smart hub connection test, signal info, HDMI troubleshooting and reset smart hub. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.